Insomnia Tapes is a collection of footage found in a 1990 VHS camera. The time span of the clips varies. This is the first set of footage. Nature documentary.
Where are we at right now, Nathan?
At a spooky conic.
What's happening? I don't know what's happening.
We're about to go camping.
Yeah? In this weather?
Yeah, we didn't pick the best day for it.
Oh, you got a tent in there or something?
Yeah, we got a tent and a bunch of sleeping bags.
Hope you got some firewood.
We do.
Gotta get down to the dirty tonight.
We do have firewood.
Where you going?
Up to Heber.
Okay, good deal.
What kind of food should we get?
The kind that's not going to get us eaten by big animals. You don't think there's any of those out there, right?
Hot dog show.
Bears.
Hot dog show.
Coyotes. There's peppers, and it's not neighbor, so it's probably is cheaper. It probably is just as good. But now I need some more stuff. Look at this dude. It's so funny. Oh yeah, now I'm recording, baby.
There's a light on the top too.
Oh shoot. I don't know if that did anything.
I was talking to the lady in the line, and she's like, coffee is one of the drugs I'm not giving up, along with medical marijuana.
Coffee? That's not a drug.
Hey, we have a reservation for G11. Thank you. Oh, nice. Oh, it's at the same time. You guys too. Oh, chill.
It is so windy.
Made it.
I wrote that as a giraffe.
Jordan really thought this sign over here said giraffe.
I marked in a hidden pond, that's why it's wheelchair accessible.
Which trail are we trying to take?
The orange one, bro, straight up the gut.
Is that's just a summit.
Yeah.
But these ones look longer. Oh wait, no, hold on.
We want the short,
We want the shorter
scary
ones because those are more dangerous and that's more fun.
Are you sure that one's more dangerous? It just says summit.
No,
Yeah, straight
here's
up the
the thing.
gut, bro.
There's a long way around the mountain for a reason.
Oh snap!
The shorter way is obviously the
If you
most
take the blue
dangerous
trail,
way.
you're gonna get eaten by a bear.
Well, it's only a 2/3 mile round trip.
That's crazy.
You can tell there's bears nearby because there's moving water, and moving water means bears.
There's always bears by moving water.
Yeah. Or picnic baskets. Shaking. That was epic.
Alright, I'm getting shots. We haven't even made it far. I'm so out of breath though.
Was that pretty fun? That was you just try it. Jacob, watch this.
Nature documentary video number 1.
Yeah.
Is it cool if I look back here?
Yeah, go up there. That's fine. Can you state your name, please?
I am Nathan Biffle. Yeah.
Why are you on this mountain right now?
Because we scheduled a camping trip and it was too late to cancel even though it's cold.
It's actually not that bad anymore.
It feels a lot better now that the wind's died down.
I think the mountain in all its beauty is blocking the wind, so
it's so helpful. It was so freezing at the campsite. It's just like 5 times better.
it feels so nice. What is he doing?
What are you doing? Oh, he's taking selfies, bro.
Jordan, what are you doing?
Okay.
Probably shouldn't submit that to my teacher, but it is whatever.
It's whatever. Oh my brain is
Are you okay, bro?
Yes! That was a lot slipperier than I thought.
You should go to the top.
So
Okay.
true. You should climb all the way to the top. He's gonna die. What are you filming, bro?
That cool tree.
So, where do you want to do your interview?
I'm thinking just up here.
Okay.
It'll probably be fine. Jordan, you can go off and take selfies in the wilderness since that's your thing. Well, that sounds cool.
There he goes. That is pretty ominous. Action. So, what is your name?
My name's Jacob Osborn.
Why are we here?
We're filming a nature documentary on Sugarloaf Mountain with Jordan and the man behind the camera,
Me.
Nathan. Well, I'm typically the one behind the camera. You see something cool? Hang on, Jordan, entertain the camera for a second while I'm
I'm for real hearing like mad noises over there.
What?
Like what?
I have no idea. It's like something moving around.
Squirrel.
Like a snake or a squirrel, yeah.
Bro, don't say snakes.
It was by rocks, so it actually like it probably is.
Look there.
Bro,
It wasn't coming
squirrels.
from up there.
Oh.
There's a camera
Oh yeah.
on my shirt. Is that not dope?
That's pretty cool.
We can take a selfie together.
Hold on. Let me zoom in with the camera and then I'll zoom in on the camera. That's pretty cool.
Alright, I can take it now. You heard noises by this rock?
Yeah.
You should go up to it.
Whatever. If I get bit by a snake, I'd actually What?
Dude, I thought you were pushing me.
Guys,
How did I do that?
guys, come here. There's markings. There's letters on this rock. Let me get the lens cap out of the... I literally said not to cuss on my video.
No!
That does not say hell. That says
Hello.
help.
Oh. Oh. Hello.
Is it, Jordan, is that not what that says?
Dude.
I don't know, bro. It could be anything.
Why would you write hell on a rock?
Why would you write help on a rock, bro? Seems like you should be running.
What do you think this sign said whenever it was still in commission?
Probably a
Probably
trail
some-
thing.
Sugarloaf.
That is so true. It probably said, do not climb up this part. Do you guys want to climb up that part?
Shoot.
Yeah.
Let's go.
You're so cool, school man.
I'm pimping right
Hey Jordan, will you take my gloves, please?
I'll put him in my vest.
Why do you love the thing so much?
It's so tactical and it's so like compact, I guess. I can put my hands in here and walk like a penguin. Like a penguin.
Can you do it for me real quick?
I've been doing it the whole time.
I really am making this a Jordan documentary, not a nature
But like
documentary.
if I like slip and fall, it's way easier to do that than to do that. So I can save myself. That's why this vest is a survival tool above all else. I totally actually think we're supposed to go this way.
You think so?
Yeah, because I remember.
You don't think we're supposed to go that way?
Right down here, it comes up in the same spot.
Is it harder that way?
Which way's easier?
Oh.
This one probably.
This one's easier? Alright.
Here, if you let me up here, I'll take the camera.
Bro, look. There's so many hiding spots on this mountain.
Good old filmmaker, Osborn. Making his way up.
I still have to take a...
Let's go. The whole squad. On top of the mountain.
Oh my gosh. That's so pretty.
Mad
Yeah, I
beautiful.
should make that.
We've got two separate paths. Look at this. Little rocks.
Bruh.
Seriously, Jordan.
What's that?
What? There's little etchings on the.
Oh, this one.
Looks like a chipmunk or something just clawing at it.
Yeah, that one has stuff
Oh,
on
looks
it
like a
too.
house.
Dude, any of them? Where'd the other ones go, Jordan? Behind
I don't know, I kicked it pretty hard. It's just weird that there was like a tower of rocks and like my instinct in my brain was just like, you gotta kick that. So I did.
What is that?
It's a, I don't know.
Looks like tic-tac-toe. Hey Nathan, you should go grab some more sticks out of the woods.
Dude, you're tripping. It's too spooky out there.
What do you mean? It's not that spooky out there.
It's pitch black. I won't be able to see 5 feet in front of me.
You gotta do the fire. I'll be back in like 5 minutes.
Okay. Thank you.
And that was the last we ever saw of Jordan.
Many species of wildlife roam this area at night. This includes deer, owls, mountain lions, skinwalkers, bears, and cougars.
Jordan!
Jordan!
Jordan! Jordan!
What's that doing here?
That's his vest. Jordan!
I needed to get sticks.
Jordan!
Jordan!
Jordan, where are you, bro? Jordan.
You okay? Jordan?
We gotta get you back, bro. Come on. Go. I'm not trying to be here any longer. Like, what happened out there?
It took so long.
You were gone for so long. Are you good, bro?
Oh.
What is that?
Oh my gosh.
It looks like the symbols from earlier. What was it? The keys. Alright, take this, go look for him, I'll go back and get him.
Alright. Jordan! Where did you go? Jordan!
Skinwalkers are known to mimic their prey or victims in many different ways. This includes attempting to copy the habits, vocals, or appearance of the animal or person they are hunting. They are hunting you right now.
Nathan, where are you? Jordan?
for watching the Insomnia Tapes nature documentary. They are waiting for you outside.